How to draw a gray rhino step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing a rhino, we're going to begin by drawing the horn on the left hand side of the page. We're going to begin by drawing a small triangle shape that is slightly slanted. Now right above and a little to the right, we're going to draw the first ear. The ear that we draw will be a little bit smaller than the horn, then we'll connect the horn to the ear by using a curved line. Nice! Now let's go ahead and connect these two shapes that we just drew. Keep in mind that this line will be at the top of the head. Now connected to that line on the top, right next to the ear, we're going to draw the second ear. In the video, I'm not going to show myself drawing the inner part of the first ear that we drew, but if you want to draw a small shape on the inside so you can color it in pink later on, then that's okay as well. Now we will draw a second curved line connected to the horn that will be the bottom of the face of our rhino. Now we're not going to want to connect that line to the ears. Instead, beneath and connected to that line, we're going to draw the first leg, along with the foot attached to the bottom. And just like always, at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now right next to this leg and foot, we're going to draw the second one, although this will have a longer line and it's going to start a little bit higher up just because of the positioning of our rhino. Nice! We're making great progress. Now we're going to want to extend out the body just a little bit. So up by the right ear, we're going to draw two curved lines to make the top of the back. Then, once we make these two curved lines, connected to the leg that we just drew, we're going to draw a big curved line to make the underbelly of our rhino. So now let's go ahead and drop down to that second leg that we previously drew together. Now connected to this curved line, we can go ahead and draw the third leg. We're not going to draw the fourth leg just yet. Now if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Now we're going to draw the back of our rhino, along with the rest of the body, and the final leg. This leg will come up and connect to that line that we previously drew. Great, now we have the outline of our rhino drawn. Now we can go ahead and draw the actual detail of a rhino, beginning with the eye right next to the horn. For the first step of drawing the eye, we're just going to go ahead and draw the outline, then we'll draw the pupil with a small white dot in the center, inside of the outline. And on the right side of the eye, we can just make a big backward C for detail. Nice! Now below and to the left of the eye, we can go ahead and draw a big nostril for our rhino. And a little below the nostril that we just drew, connected to the outline of the face, we can draw a curved line to just make the mouth. Now all around the body of my rhino, I'm going to add in some small lines for detail. You can get a little creative and go on your own, or you can follow step by step, whatever way works best for you. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a gray rhino. If you want to see more videos just like this, keep in mind that we upload every single day, so if you subscribe, you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like, and don't forget the next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.